This is heart-healthy glow bowl your body has been craving. Crispy wild-caught salmon over a zesty kale and apple salad. It's high protein, zero carb, and takes less than 20 minutes to prepare. Let's start with fresh wild-caught salmon. Wild-caught salmon is a powerhouse of omega-3s, which are essential for a healthy heart and brain. Sprinkle some Himalayan salt and freshly crushed black pepper. Drizzle with high-quality olive oil. Massage those seasoning in and let it marinate for at least 15 minutes at room temperature. This ensures every bite is flaky and flavorful. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Line an oven-proof plate with aluminum foil. A tip: this makes cleanup almost non-existent. Transfer the seasoned salmon to this oven-proof plate. While the salmon marinates, let's talk about kale. It's one of the most nutrient-dense green on the planet, packed with vitamin K and antioxidants. Remove the stems and give them a good wash, and then chop the leaves finely. For a burst of sweetness and crunch, I am adding apple matchsticks and chopped dates. Chop the apple into thin strips so that in every bite of salad you get the sweetness of apple. Chop your dates also into thin, tiny bits and pieces. These add natural fiber and keep things interesting. The dressing is simple and bright, no junk, just fresh lime juice, olive oil and salt. Give it a good mix. Now add the chopped kale and massage the dressing into the kale to soften the leaves. In goes the chopped apple, dates, slivered almonds. Finish it off with 3 tablespoons of grated Parmesan for a savory kick and a sprinkle of cracked pepper. Give it a good mix thoroughly one last time and it will be ready to serve. Slide the salmon onto the bottom shelf of the oven. Bake it until the thickest part hits about 145 degrees Fahrenheit. This gives the salmon that perfect melt-in-your-mouth texture and flakiness. Get the salmon out of the oven. It's baked to the perfect temperature. And see how beautifully it flakes. To serve, lay down a lush bed of that kale salad. The contrast between the warm fish and the cool crunchy salad is incredible. Place your warm, flaky salmon right on top. You can also eat with roasted corn cob. Tasty, easy and wholesome. This isn't just dinner, it's fuel for your day. If you want more simple anti-inflammatory meals like this one, don't forget to subscribe to Rooted Spoon. Enjoy! See you soon with another video.